COVID-19 has struck us again. So stay safe and healthy. But to stay safe and healthy, we need to be indoors. तो आखिर घर में ही हैं तो कुछ नया सीखते हैं. I hope everyone has a Rubik's Cube at home. So let me show you some tricks with the Rubik's Cube. नाम तो बताया है नहीं. मैं हूँ सहाय, आर्यमन सहाय. Do you want to learn this? Well, if I can do it, so can you. Don't think it's impossible. And if you want more content like this, stay tuned on my channel for more things about cubing. So this is a fully scrambled cube and I'm going to solve it as fast as I can. So let's start. I hope you liked my speed, and please like, share and comment on this video, and please subscribe to my channel for future content on cubing. See you all.